This 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue 32 volts double slide, 1.5 baths, rear 12 feet 6 inches garage is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Skylight, external shower, slide-out, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue 32 volts double slide, 1.5 baths, rear 12 feet 6 inches garage is 9,946 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.